how to fix iPhone Hotspot Greyed Out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Hotspot Greyed Out. Without further ado, let's get started. So just go to your settings app right here on your iPhone. I'm just going to go back to help you navigate. And the first thing that we're going to check if our software version is up to date. So to do that, just go to General right here and click on Software Update right below the About option. Click on that and your phone will be checking for update. Now if it prompts you to download a certain update, that means that your iOS version is currently outdated. So you can just click on download and install over here, or whichever instruction that is shown to you. So there is also a description over here that might be solving your problem of the hotspot being grayed out. So assuming that I now have the latest iOS version, the next thing that we're going to check is your cellular data over here. So actually, to have the personal hotspot not grayed out, you need to turn on your cellular data right below the Bluetooth option. So just click on cellular over here, and on here you can see cellular data. So just click on the toggle button right beside it to have it turn green. And let's go back to the settings page, and the personal hotspot option should already not be grayed out. So just click on personal hotspot, and you can then set some settings over here, such as turning on so that others can join your hotspot, and you can also change the Wi-Fi password of your hotspot. So that is how you can basically fix iPhone hotspot being grayed out.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.